What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nate Matthews back again with another video. Here to do a follow-up on the Braun Series 9 shaver that I picked up not too long ago. This right here, if you guys did not see the review, make sure you hit the card that pops up. A quick overview though. This does have a pivoting head. Let's actually make it loose. A pivoting head to get the corners when you shave your head bald. It's got a removable head on it, so go ahead and get these things clean, right? It's got, let's put it back on. It's got some enhancements on here. These things that form to the shape of your head to make sure it gets every part of your hair. It's got the clean and charge station where again you just set this in the machine. You can put this little thing in there, right? Can't really see it with the lighting, but it's blue. But when I put it right here, it looks white. Anyways, you put this cleaning solution at the bottom of the machine, press the button, turns on, it cleans this whole thing for you to keep this thing nice and clean and ready for your next shave. It's also got a little thing on the back of it here. So go ahead and knock down the stubble if you're going to do this on your head, or same thing with your face. Maybe you can try to line your mustache up with it. With my test though, I did use it. Let me tell you guys the good and the bad. The good is this razor, I do believe, is the best best electric razor that I've tried. I've tried the Wahl custom shave. Again, you can hit the card that pops up if you want to see that. I have tried the Andy's super liner attachments. Again, you can hit the card that pops up for that as well. And when it comes to those shavers versus this one actually got my head 100% bald with no work in advance. The other type of shavers, what I would normally have to do is use a T-blade style trimmer or the Wahl Color Pro clippers or something like that to knock down my hair as low as it can possibly be before those decided to cut even a single hair off of my head. This right here, due to the technology in this shaving head, there are two different blades. There's 4 blades total right here, right? But the 2 in the middle are the ones that will knock down the longer pieces of hair, and then the 2 on the outside will knock down the stubble to get you 100% bald. This thing shaved my head bald. I'm talking with and against the grain to the point you couldn't feel no hair on your head at all, right? So that's the reason why I would say this thing the best electric shaver ever. When it comes to my results though, that's where we start to plummet just a little bit. Again, it's kind of hard to judge this thing by itself when I've been normally using a safety razor, right? This device compared to a safety razor takes about double, if not triple, the amount of time to shave my head. So I'm very used to how to use a safety razor properly, you know, which grain and stuff like that, the directions I need to shave in, things like that, to prevent myself from getting any type of irritation. When I use this, I did get some irritation on my head. My head was kind of irritated right here to even touch it. It kind of turned red, I would say, just for, you know, a day or so. And then the trouble spot that I told you guys about when I initially tested this product, I said in the back of the neck, the lower part of the neck area. I did end up getting some bumps back there. The part where I got the bumps didn't really hurt, but the part where I didn't get any bumps, it actually hurt. I was irritated quite a bit. Even with me having places to go in between time, because if you guys have been around my channel for quite some time, you know that my routine, I normally shave my head 2, maybe 3 times a week, depending on what I got going on. Well, if you guys seen the video when I actually went to Wahl out, I had something going on. My hair was growing back. It was irritated. I really didn't want to touch it, but I didn't have no hat or nothing to match my outfit. So I took a razor to it and shaved my head again with the bumps, with the irritation, and it still got my head 100% bald, and it was perfectly fine, right? But when I did it the second time, I actually used the product from the video I made called the cheap razors that actually work or something like that. Hit the card or whatever that pops up if you guys did not see that video. All in all though, again, when it comes to shaving with a electric razor, this is the very best one that I've tried. Again, I've tried about 3 of them. And you guys could throw the Andy's, what is it? Whatever the other Andy's razor is that's similar to the Wahl custom shave. I've tried that one as well, but I don't think I just made a review on it. Those are all the same. This one actually works 100%, gets the job done. I would say this though is more so for people who are just still afraid to use a safety razor. All the people that's asking me, hey, how do you get your head bald, or how do you get your hair to be, or how do you get your head to be the same color as your face? Well, if your head is darker than your face, you might have some stubble still on your face, right? And my bad if you guys see the the sun is coming across or whatever, so it's blocking the camera a little bit. I'll make it quick. Anyways, if you guys want your head to be, you know, the same color as your face, you got to shave it down all the way completely, so where you won't see the hair still coming out and things like that. Again, that can be done with this. That can be done with the safety razor. I've been using a safety razor for so long to the point where using this doubles, if not triples, my time in shaving my head. I can knock it out super quick using a safety razor. If you guys are afraid of it and just looking for something that'll give you the same results, again, my scalp was irritated from this. It may or may not happen with you. I can only share you guys with my experience. But if you guys are looking for something that will get you just as bald as using a safety razor, go with the Braun Series 9 shaver. Another thing, I actually was going to post about it, and I said, no, I'll just wait until this video. But the price on this thing has dropped very big, so make sure you hit the link in the description if you are at all thinking about getting this, because the price just dropped off by a whole lot, as well as there's a coupon that you can clip to get even more money off of this product. I don't want to say the exact price because I don't know when you guys are going to be watching this video and if that deal is going to be taken away anytime soon. So again, if you guys are watching this, if you guys want that same deal, hit the link in the description. So yeah, I'm not going to make this video too long. I just wanted to show you guys my results that I got with the Braun Series 9 shaver. I actually didn't take a picture or anything like that. I just didn't feel like busting out the camera to show you guys, but just trust me, I did get some irritation. So if you guys found this video helpful though, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. If you got anything to say, good or bad, drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys want me to review next, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.